Hi guys, Girolamo Aloe here, and welcome in this question and answer live session with me to talk about supply-demand trading. Just I give some minutes to people to join because this is just we started just now, so many people have to arrive to join and to make to prepare their question and many other things. Um, just The first thing, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advices. Okay, I don't tell you how to manage your money. I don't ask you to manage your money. I don't tell you where to invest and how to invest. What I do for you is just for educational purpose. This is important. Trading carry a lot of high risk, so you have to be aware of this risk before to make your investment. What I do for you is just for educational purpose, and this is just something great. And your questions are something that I'm going to answer because you can have doubts, you can need my help from me, and maybe you want to ask me something specific about Spider-Man trading, about my trading style, about myself, about many other things. And if you have questions, I ask you before to prepare your questions so that you can ask me something. So I hope that you can join and to make many things about me. Hi, there is just another first man here. Hi, okay. And my job here is just to be a trader. I'm a trader. This is my real job in this moment. And I'm just making some investments occasionally to build some small business with partners or by myself. And I started to be an investor long time ago in the 2005, I think, just my first investment was just a small business company about IT consulting for bank and telecommunication companies. I remember I opened the company the December 1st, 2005, long time ago, when the name of startup was just nothing, still not used, a word still not used in general. And this was the beginning of my investing adventure, and I'm still here and I'm going forward. Now I am a trader, professional trader, I think, and I can make many things. And just to invest in a new project, a project for trading and other things, and I'm just going forward. So guys, I'm a supply demand trader, as you know. I'm just here to tell you what I do for with my trading. So your questions are for me important. You have a live chat here, you can see in this video, so you can send me your questions and I will answer you. And about what is supply demand trading, what I do in life, what I did until now, what are your doubts, and many things that you have that you want to know about financial instruments. Just you want that I focus on some currency and you want to answer about your chart or just the situation in the market, you feel free to ask now. And what can I say in this moment, waiting your question? And I started this trading adventure long time ago now, and I spent several years to understand how to make this business properly. This was not so easy as it seems today, and I published a blog post just yesterday on my personal website where I explain just how I am so grateful today about the results that I can reach today with my trading practice. And I'm just now so skilled that I can run for hundreds of pips per trade, that I can make money in this way, and I can just make trading in a relaxed way. This is something that requires time, a lot of hard work, a lot of smart work, and my thought about the GBP JPY. Okay, I bought this currency, British pound, Japanese yen. I bought this currency and just I had two trades. I reduced my exposition in this currency, just cutting one trade, and I have still another trade that is going up. If you want to see my trades, wait a moment. I show you something for you. Let me change the screen. Okay. This. You can see the chart now. And yeah, you watched my webinar. Oh, thank you to be a challenge member. You can see my webinar. This is something great. So let me show you. First, I show you my trades that I have. I took this screenshot just today at 3:36 p.m. And you can see here my buy trades on British pound and Japanese yen. And in that moment, it was just over 110 pips of profit. And you can see here my entry point for this currency. It was 171.20, and now it is 72.30. And here is my target in this moment. Of course, the target are always relative because they can change in many ways. Some becoming adaptive with the market reaction. And this is just what I did for this currency. And I show you now the chart about British pound and Japanese yen. Wait a moment. Okay. So this is the situation. I just bought here is as you can see, just it was explained in the last webinar and you have seen it. I just bought here because here the situation was really good. Instead, I didn't bought here because if I go to look in the higher time frame, I can see that that level is carry an higher risk because this is going to have a specific pattern and a specific market reaction, and the price just went down. Of course, this is something clear. Just you can see here this pattern here in this way. Okay, and the price went down to this level. But there is something more that is relevant here in the monthly chart, and it is that the price here is just having this parabolic rotation too soon, in my opinion. This is uncertain because the price could have a new spike up, a new rising. The price could continue to go up, just reaching this level here. Of course, with the time, with the long term. But anyway, this market behavior here could be something that is an anticipation, but we will see what will happen. I definitely bought here. I show the lower time frame, and I explain also why. I bought here because, let me go to the lower time frame, because the price moved down strongly. So it was just, it had a strong momentum, and the price had to be, and the momentum had to be exhausted. Then a bounce back was something expected. And I bought here because, let me make it zoom. Wait a moment. Let's zoom here. Okay. Because here there was a market reaction that moved the price up with an engulfing pattern. This and this make an engulfing pattern. Okay, this and this make an engulfing pattern. These two candles are an engulfing pattern, and I bought just here because here I have seen a relevant support, and I got my buy trade. And now the expectation is to see the price that can go up more, and it can go up more. This is the expectation, of course, but we will see what will happen with the market in the next moments. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, the expectation for me is to close the trade or here around this level here, or maybe here, just here. We will see. If not, I will take my profit, my small profit, and I will go forward for another trading opportunity. This is the situation for this currency. I hope that this can clarify your question, Hamed, and let's see. Okay, if you have other questions, please ask me. I'm going to close this share. Stop. Okay, I'm here. I'm back. So feel free to ask me questions. This is just a question and answer session, and I want to tell you more in the waiting. Thank Iftikar Ahmed. USDK. Okay, okay. You want to have a live session about trading? Okay, let me take a look. Iftikad, I had a sell order high, but until reached, so it is still there, and I'm waiting for it. About USDCAD, maybe I made a video lesson or just that you've seen. It's great on the insight on your trading. It's really, really, really simple. I don't use abbreviation. I don't use just want that people make trading in relaxed and without doubts in the mind. Trading give a lot of doubts in the mind, and they go to lose money, or they go to have no action in the trade. Good. It's me. It's important make money, not be the best. This is something important. So I show you the USD card chart that I have. Wait a moment. USD card. Okay, it is arriving. Wait. Okay, it is here. And in this currency, I'm doing nothing, just waiting. And okay, let me show you this. This is situation. Okay. Okay. Make it zoom. This range here. So you can see here, I have here 3 resistance that I marked in the last and just to have a plan in this currency. These trades are just these resistance are just one here, and on this resistance there was this basing behavior, okay, and this flag, and another one was this one, and the last one is just this. Okay, what I did in this situation, I had a plan to buy here, here, and here, of course, and I bought here, okay, and I took my small profit because, of course, I expected just to take a first small trade, the first trade, just to understand the situation, just to taste the market reaction, and the market reaction, well, it was just have here a flag, not to go down, but just make a flag. So this is just a continuation pattern. But anyway, the most important thing is not really the continuation pattern. That this is just I set my order before I start having always a plan end of the moment to make my trade, because this is not the way to think to make money properly for the long term, but just is that it is not something that I do. I just set always my orders before in advance, just analyzing the supply levels and the demand levels in the history of the chart. I mean, not in the moment in the market reaction that I can expect in the current market, but what happened in the past, what happened in the supply level, because it shows me how was the unbalancing, if the balancing was strong, if the balancing was uncertain, if where the market had a different set and forget. I set my order. Forget the order, not I set my order is a right course is adaptation. So if my order is no more favorable for the reaction for the market, for what I see in the market in that moment, I just have to be able to change it, because I just want to have a low risk trading, not just set an order and abandon my order there. I want to be aware of what is happening, and I have to be aware of what I'm going to do. So I set my order because I know what I want, but I have always to be adapted to the market reaction. In this case, on USD CAD, I set my order here, I took my trade, okay, but the market reaction was counter my trade, so I took here my small profit, because this was just the lowest order that I had, the first trade that I was that just use it to test the market, and I can accept to lose. But my important trade with the higher leverage is just the highest one in this case. This flag here show to me that the market is changing, so I can expect that the price can go up more. And my idea in this moment could be that the price could have a new rally at least until my order here, but maybe more. I think maybe it can reach it can go up more. Okay, so this is my potential expectation for this currency. I just have a potential sell order here, and in this case, if the price will reach this level, I will have my sell trade. If not, patience. There are many other opportunities. The market is really big, and there are a lot of opportunities to make money. Just go forward for new things. This is my idea in this moment, because I have here this basing action of the market. I show you better in the lower time frame, just to show you definitely what happened in the flag and in the market reaction here. Okay, why I skip it to sell here? Because this flag, the flag, this basing here, okay, definitely can suggest me that the price can have a market reaction where I can see a rally that can be long, maybe so long as this first rally here. So rally, base, and rally. So this is why I skip it to sell here, and I just keep my focus to sell just IG, to the IG or order that I had. And the highest order that I had is just what I keep. The other one was removed. But anyway, there is a risk in this scenario. The risk is that if the price will go up, if the price will definitely go up, it could go over this level, and it could try to reach the highest supply level. So I can get a loss here. But anyway, I have to risk. Yes, always starting from the highest time frame to understand what is the market situation, to understand what is the trend, the main trend of the market, and later go to the lower time frames to analyze what is good for your entry point and your trading. So in this case, the higher time frame is important for me because it shows me that here I have a convergence to a very old supply level, and it shows me also the main trend this moment, and it just tell me that I can have months to week, to day, to 4 hour, to 1 hour, and just these time frames are enough for me. And you can just try to go to the lower time frame if you make trading for small, for just for the intraday or for small pips of profit. For me, go to the 1 hour chart is just enough. For me, it is just the end. For 1 month to lower, 1 month is important because it shows me the main trend, and the main trend is just where I can base my trading for my trading plan in general. Because I can see here that the market is this has here this convergence, so I can expect the highest time frame shows me the reversal point, where the trend change, where the main trend change. The market follow specific channel, bullish or bearish or horizontal channel. This is time frame. I can see it's and the reversal point, the reversal in channel that following. A channel, it is something for the long, for just for years. But anyway, I just take my reversal point, my reversal trend inside the main channel. Okay, this is a main trend. Then in this situation, I can expect also here of the main point. This is why we are all focused on this supply level, on this resistance and supply levels here, because everybody is expecting a change of the trend, or better a big drop. And what I want is just to have my sell trade in this convergence, or maybe in the highest one. And this is why I make trading for this. And this is important. Having cleared the main trend, I can understand what I have to do in the lower time frame, because the main trend shows me the market behavior, and the lower time frame tell me how I have to make my trade. In this case, I want to have a sell trade, okay? And my sell trade can reach a target, for example, in this demand, or maybe also in this demand here, because if I expect a drop, I want to follow the drop, okay? But I have to take in consideration where I have the buy orders that can contrast, that can go in opposition with my sell trades, because they are just how can I say, the demand just can give strength, sustain the reversal behavior. Okay, in this case, the demand here can sustain a bounce back of the price. Just this. So this is the situation for this currency. If you have some question about this, please ask now, and I will answer you. And this is just why I didn't is in this level here to this level, and this level we'll see what will happen in future. So I come back to talk with you about other question. If you have other question, guys, please feel free to ask. This is like my trading is just based on the supply demand. Before to became a supply demand trader, I was very not profitable. I had a lot of difficulty money properly. I used many other things just to make money, but I make money using indicators and just following the news. And also another thing is just I was there just running for a few pips. Instead, I want to run for a lot of pips. I just want 100 pips. Did the Chinese market affect your position last night? I don't care. Or the market reaction of the news, just for because the news are just something that make move the market on supply or demand levels, where there are orders that are waiting to be executed, and the execution of just not the news. The news don't define the market. I want trend. So the news just move the price where there is that are just waiting to be filled. Big orders, I'm talking about big orders, and when these orders will be filled, take the so if the news will push the price up, this market behavior will get a stop just inside a supply level where there are big orders, and the price will change its behavior. What happened if I go to take a look in the main trend, the highest time frame? I see what is the main trend, and I see that the news, for example, can make move the price in the opposition of the main trend. So the main trend just get a bounce back, but at the end the bounce back finish, get the stop just in the supply level, that where I see where there are big orders that are just going to keep the price in the continuation of the big trend. This is why I just keep my focus always on the highest time frame to understand the main trend, so I can make my trading plan following the main trend. If there is a spike up, just like happened today in the last days on British pound and Australian dollar, I know that this is not the main trend. It is just a market reaction for something, and when it will hit a strong supply level, the price will get a reversal behavior, just rejoining to the main trend, because the main trend is just bearish in this moment. So this is just what rule my trading activities on this currency, trading activity on British pound and Australian dollar, because just I follow the main trend. The main trend just tell me what is going to happen, and this is definitely important. This is why I don't care so much about the Chinese market, or maybe I don't care so much about many other marketplaces. Market news, I mean, I'm talking about the news, just the calendar, and because I just keep my focus on the willings that can prevail in the market, and the willings are not the news. The willings are just the big orders that institutional investors, big families, or big banks, or maybe also national investors, country investors, just like the bank of the country, or big funds. For many things, they can just rule the market with their big orders, of course, until it is possible. But anyway, this is just what can give a real reversal reaction in the market, and this is just what I keep my focus. And this is work, and this work, of course. And my idea for trading is just this. My way to make money is just this, and I make it this way for a long time, and I improve. I improve day by day. I may profit me just to have my personal trading journal and to explain people how I make money. So just to improve more, I can improve by profit me, and the people can improve just learning what I do. And I did it just for this purpose. And people can join and can study with me, can follow my things and ask me questions in many ways. And my trading is just based on supply and demand levels. I refine the supply demand levels properly in many ways, going to the higher time frame to the lower time frame, because it is important for me have a low risk trading, very low risk. So I can focus on the highest time frame. I make my supply demand my strong the strongest supply demand levers on the highest time frame, but at the end I go to refine them in the lowest time frame, because the lowest time frame are for me where I can find the entry points, the best entry points, getting the lowest risk. I want to make trading with the lowest risk. I don't set an order to have a trade where I know that the risk can be very big. So there is no reason for me to set a stop loss that can be very, very large, because when a trade turns in red and it to go in deep red, just go really in red a lot, losing, there is the possibility to recover that trade is just very low. And the risk to get a loss became bigger time by time. More time you keep a trade in red, more I guess becomes the risk to have a loss. Okay, you can tell me, oh, I can make aging. Yes, you can make aging, but I would like to go there to make an interview to every one of you that are watching this webinar, to ask how many of you were able to make a lot of money by aging, because I am in this business for a long term, and I worked for a broker, and I've seen many traders that were just that practice the aging, and I've never seen in years one of these big trader that was able to be profitable for the long term. At the end, they have lost everything. All of them at the end, after 2 years, 3 years of practice, they have lost everything. I've seen great traders that at the end have burned their account, and also the account of people who just were copying these traders, because they were focused on the practice of the hedging, but in an insane way. Just they never wanted to cut the losses. They continued to hedge, to protect the trade until they were no more able to protect nothing. And when they were no more able to protect their money, they have lost everything, all the account. just at the end they was with just a few cents in their in their account balance. I know this because I work for the broker, and because I monitor their activity. I just studied them. I have seen the people that was just so crazy to copy them for the long term, hoping to get a profit, but this cannot happen. Okay, this don't happen. You have to be a very big hedge fund to be able to protect your investment in this way. You instead are just a retail trader. You are not an hedge fund with millions and millions of customers, not your millions of your customers, not your money. It's different. You have to understand like a trader that is focused on making money, not a trader that is focused on trading. The trading practice is great, but the purpose is always make money. If you're able to make money, you are great. If you're able to be the best to make a lot of trades, but at the end you get nothing, you're not great. Sorry, you are a gambler, or maybe you are something different. You have to focus just on the money, and to get the success for in this business, you need a lot of time, a lot of dedication, a lot of patience. You have to go over any loss, because be able to make money in this business require definitive time and patience and suffering and struggle. People have to learn. People have to understand better what is going to happen. And the first thing they have to understand what don't do. Okay, what don't do in this business. And definitely, if you are a new trader, a new trader, definitely you don't have to make aging. And no, don't make the aging for your trading in this if you are a new trader. Definitely. And this is just something that I have to tell about this part of this situation. So guys, if you have other questions, please ask now. I will answer. I'm here just to answer your question and just to tell more about what I do. And my trading is just very, very relaxed now, because now I'm experienced, and now I decided just in the 2015 to become a mentor, just to show people what I do for my trading, not before. And I just decided to make this because I realized that I was really skilled, and I had able to make money for myself, for my family. And just in the last years, things has really changed for me, just because my trading that has improved a lot, and I was able to get great results for myself. And then now I here to show you what I do. If you want to study with me, you have to just join on Profit Me. On Profit Me, you can see all my lessons and everything I do for myself and for people, because Profit Me is just for me and for others. I will stick back and listen now. I will sit back and listen. Okay. And just this is a question and answer. Please make me answers. If you answer, I will sorry, please make me questions. If you have questions, I will answer you just now. And my trading has improved when I realized that I was going the wrong in the wrong direction. I had my mentors. I found my mentors, my right mentors, and they helped me to understand my problems and the right way to go forward. The simplicity in my trading is just something that everybody can see. The simplicity, really simple thing to get money. Make things very simple. I don't use indicators. I don't use news. I don't use many ways that can define many patterns and many things. I just keep things very simple, because the simplicity give me money, and money is what I want for myself, because I need them, but not to store the money. I need them for my family, for myself, for my future. I make trading for future, not for plays. Not just it is not a game, it is a work. Okay, it is different. If you just approach on trading in the just thinking that you can beat with the market, you cannot beat with the market. Every beat that you do with the market is a loss for you. You have to take in consideration that this is a work, a job. You have to make this because you are working. So you cannot beat like a casino. This is a job. Focus on what you want, focus to do the things very properly and very well, and you will get the success. If you focus just on make things without basing things on the casualty, on the cases, on many things, you will get nothing. If you just prepare your things before, you will get success when you go to take your trade. Just be aware that this is not a game. Be aware that this is a job. This is a job, and you have to be dedicated to this business. If you're not dedicated, you will get nothing. If you are new and want to study this business, join on Profit Me. I will help you to understand many things. But anyway, remember, if you're not dedicated in this business, you will get nothing. Nothing. Really, I know, because I'm here for a lot of business for a lot of years, and I experienced many things before of you. I've experienced the struggle and the sufferance and many other things, and the losses and the problems and the mistakes, and I just find my way to go forward going over this. I'm here today to talk with you because I'm one of the people, of the traders that never give up. I never give up. This is why I'm here. I suggest you to read my latest blog post in my personal website, girolamoaloe.com, that explain my gratitude and my happiness for what I did. With the end of the year, I cleaned my account. Just I took away all the money, and I started the new year with just a small amount of money, because new year, new beginning, okay, and new target to reach. This is the things to do. You always have a target for your trading. If you don't have a target, you're just joking, okay? You're just playing games, and this is not good in trading. No good be a gambler in trading, definitely. So I'm just starting with a new year with new targets, and let's see if I will be able to reach my ambitious target for the end of the year, because as you will read in my latest blog post, you will see that I'm really able to make trading running for 100 of pips of profit for trade, because with the patience, with the plan, with the right plan, I can make my money. So now, I'm going to base my trading on these things, on this particular features that I have, on these particular things that I have now, just running for long trades, and I just can run this year to reach very ambitious target, a final goal. The final goal is really ambitious, and I have a set of new targets to reach one by one to be able to pursue my final goal. And this is important. New year, new goals, new target. Okay. I'm very happy when I reach the end of the year, and I'm just the 2015 and the 2014 and so on, to be able to withdraw money for myself, to bank money, because this means that I make a great job, that I made a great job with my work, with my practice. And so I want to continue make this better and better, because this is I love this business. I make this business because I like it, and because I'm just skilled to do it, and this is important. So guys, if you have questions, please ask me. I'm here just to answer your questions, and I just can satisfy your doubts. If you have doubts about financial instruments, if you want to know more about what I do, many other things, I can just give you my support. If you want to study with me, join on Profit Me, or contact me to understand more about Profit Me. And anyway, I'm here just to share my experience, and I want that you can be able to build your future in this business, just starting with my experiences, or better, use my experience as something that can really help you to find your way in this business, your future in this business. Because I was alone when I started, and I had a lot of difficulty. I found mentors, and my mentors helped me a lot, and this is why I'm here today, because I have understood what was right for me, what was really good. So guys, if you think that that what I do can be really helpful for you, just contact me, ask me everything you want, just on my Facebook group, on Profit Me, on my fan page. I will support you, I will answer, because nobody deserves to be alone in this business, but in any really important thing in life. Nobody. I was alone for many reasons, for many things, and definitely nobody deserves to be to be alone in this business. You have just to be aware of this. Okay, questions? No more? Okay, guys, if you have no more questions, I say hello, and this hangout will be recorded, and you can watch it later if you want, just on my YouTube channel. This is a free service, and you can. I will make many question and answer live session with you, just with a member of the group, with a member of my subscribers, and on my fan page. Just this. I wish you all the best, and thank you to listen to my words. See you next time. Bye bye.